Well, hello everybody. We are out here in the fields at the farm, and the rye grass is growing pretty high. And we've got farmer Jamie Jones. Jamie, good morning.
Morning, Tom. Good to see you.
It's a little misty this morning, but this ryegrass is taller than your head, actually, and I guess it's time to do something, isn't it?
Yes, Tom, it is. This is our winter rye. We seeded it last fall once we finished growing our cover crops here. So it was planted the end of September. As you can see, it's actually flowering right now. So this is the stage at which we know it's time to roll it. And we're actually standing in a field that in a couple more weeks we'll be planting pumpkins. So we've got it. It's over 6 feet tall, and it's gotten to that point where it's brittle enough so we roll it and it's going to snap right down into a nice mat onto which we will plant our pumpkins in between it, and they can grow. And we're literally growing our mulch in place for our pumpkins. And this is our roller that we have, a specially designed piece of equipment hooked on our Massey Ferguson 285, a tractor that's just about the same age as me and probably more functional than I am right now. The nice thing about farm, we take care of our equipment, and they last a very long time. So Tom, I'm gonna hop on board and you can see what we're doing.
Well, we have started the rolling of the rye grass, and so as we've gotten this far, Jamie, how's it looking, this grass, or rye grass, I should say?
I'm very pleased. The conditions are just right. It's not real windy. We haven't had any big storms that have blown it over. You could have already shown it's rolling very nicely. It's a good morning to be out here. It's really exciting. People really couldn't tell, but when we started, there weren't any barn swallows out, but since we started, there's dozens of barn swallows swooping and diving around us, and it's just kind of neat. That's the amazing thing about farming and how you're working with nature. And as we're doing this, we're probably kicking up some insects, and they're aware of that activity, and we're able to provide them with breakfast. So that's pretty exciting to just watch that. It's a little entertainment from the tractor seat while we're getting the job done here this morning.
Very good. Thanks, Jamie.